I am Beth Taylor, my husband Kevin Taylor's physical therapist. We have a physical therapy clinic in Oklahoma City. So we first learned about Stimpod when we first jumped into the Paul Goff system. We went to Austin. That was our first event. That was our first experience with anything, and met Stan. Did a little trial there and kind of learned about the Stimpod product.
Kevin Taylor from Oklahoma City, Oklahoma. I'm an athletic trainer also, so we do a little bit of both. We do sports medicine, which is about 20% of our total practice, and the rest is orthopedic, knees, shoulders, hips, backs, necks.
So we made the decision to purchase the Stimpods. They came in the mail, so we scheduled our workshop. When we purchased our Stimpods, we purchased to have Dr. Collins fly in and come and be there with us for a day to help train our staff and teach us everything about the Stimpod, be there for the workshops. And I would say, hands down, and Kevin said hands down, the biggest value in that entire thing was having Dr. Collins come in.
It was very surprising to see all the different diverse patients that were in there. They became more comfortable just sitting up with us, next to us. We were treating patients. We probably were treating 4 or 5 patients at a time. It was remarkable. We had patients talking about how their pain was going away. Somebody else would get a little, well, I've got an elbow pain, can we try that? And as seats would open up at the front of the workshop, we would just keep filling them in. And so our workshop lasted about an hour and a half, not real long, but it was pretty fun. We had a good interactive time with patients.
What Dr. Collins was able to bring in the confidence and the training with our staff, in truly showing Kevin how you can treat anything and everything with the Stimpod was really the value that we got out of it. During the workshop, we set it up with 5 chairs up there because we had 5 Stimpods. Even later that day, my dad, who has neuropathy, came in, did a trial on it, and he stood up for the first time afterwards and could feel the coolness of the floor. And that's something he hadn't had feeling like that before. So when it's someone that gets that kind of response, it's pretty incredible.
I knew it when we tried it on our patients in the clinic when Dr. Collins was there and he was teaching the staff how to use it, because we had pains within staff members and we also had patients that were sitting there waiting for us, and he immediately just started working on patients, and people were walking without symptoms, without limping. People's pain, they were feeling temperature on the floor for the first time after neuropathy treatments. It's pretty remarkable.
What it's done for our business and moving towards our goals has been that we're getting cash flow. We're getting cash flow that we didn't have before. We're getting pain relief for patients. The biggest things is that we get a patient in the door and we can Stimpod them while they're first getting there, and then be able to go through exercises and their typical program. They're able to do more because they're not experiencing that pain.